Welcome to FK iPhone. Today we have something special to unbox, the brand new S119, a 2025 flagship that promises top-tier performance and cutting-edge features. Let's dive straight into it. Starting with the exterior, the S119 comes in a sleek premium design with a polished metal frame and a matte glass back. It feels solid in hand with a slim profile and curved edges, making it comfortable to hold. The camera module is neatly arranged at the top corner, giving it a modern and clean look. Available in multiple colors, it offers a fresh aesthetic that stands out in the smartphone market. Now let us talk about the display. The S119 features a stunning high-resolution OLED panel with ultra-thin bezels and a super smooth refresh rate, making everything look fluid and vibrant. Whether you're gaming, watching videos, or just scrolling through your apps, the display delivers deep blacks, bright colors, and an immersive viewing experience. Under the hood, the S119 is powered by the latest chipset combined with a high-performance GPU and an advanced cooling system, ensuring top-notch speed and efficiency. Multitasking, gaming, and AI-driven applications run seamlessly with zero lag, plus the enhanced battery optimization gives you all-day usage without worrying about running out of power. The camera system on the S119 is a major highlight, equipped with a high megapixel main sensor, an ultra-wide lens, a periscope zoom, and advanced AI enhancements. It captures stunning details in both daylight and low-light conditions. Night mode has been improved, making nighttime shots sharper and more vibrant. The front camera also features upgraded AI beauty modes and 4K recording, perfect for selfies and video calls. Audio quality has also seen a boost with dual stereo speakers and spatial sound technology, delivering immersive audio for music, movies, and gaming. Plus, the device supports the latest wireless audio codecs for high-quality Bluetooth streaming. Security and software experience are top-notch, with an under-display fingerprint scanner and face unlock that are faster and more secure. The UI is clean, smooth, and packed with useful customization features, with the latest OS updates ensuring long-term software support. Connectivity is future-ready with ultra-fast 5G Wi-Fi 7 and improved Bluetooth range, ensuring seamless data transfer and connectivity with other devices. In conclusion, the S119 is a powerhouse smartphone with a premium build, a stunning display, top-tier performance, and an incredible camera system, making it one of the best flagship options for 2025. If you're looking for a device that delivers in every aspect, this might just be the perfect choice. That wraps up the unboxing and first impressions of the S119. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next one.